Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, everyone. My name is Xolani Nopotse from a company called Xshineon. We are a decreasing agent. We provide decreasing solutions. Well, we firstly started because we wanted to provide a solution for our local car washes. So we wanted to provide them, give them an alternative, and affordable, and also use a user-friendly product. So currently now we focus on the decreasing. The current product that we've got now here is a degreaser, which remove grease, cream instantly for your engine and also all your engine part as well and floor. And this one is your hand grit soap, which got a silica scent and a fragrance as well. And here it's a perfume here, fragrances as well for your cars and also for your household. Well, when you buy our product, we're providing solution for our customers. So buying our product, we are buying the solution for your problems. So basically, this hand grit soap, it saves you time. It works instantly, and it also does do what it's supposed to do. Well, they can get in touch of us at 083 294 3017. And also, if they want to see the performance of our product, they can visit our TikTok account, which is Xshineon. Or alternatively, they can visit our Facebook page, which is Xshineon. Hi, my name is Xolani Nopotse, and I'm a township entrepreneur.